Curry sauce is my favorite sauce for eating white rice. Today I'll be teaching you how to make chicken, beef and vegetable curry sauce. Stay tuned to the end to know how I made this yummy goodness. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. For making your curry sauce, you need carrots, Irish potatoes, bell peppers. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I'll be showing you other ingredients, so make sure you don't miss any step of this video so that you know other ingredients involved. And also do well to check the description for the list of the ingredients too. So we're going to just slice our vegetables. You can use the cutter I used or use your knife. Just get creative with it. But anyways, we're not going to make it small and we're not going to make it big. We're just going to make it as seen on the screen. Then when all our vegetables are done, the carrots, the Irish potatoes, we slice our bell peppers. We're going to be setting it aside for use later, and we're also going to be blending our Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, we're going to blend the Scotch bonnet pepper and start making our food. In a dried pot, we're going to heat up vegetable oil. When the vegetable oil is heated, we're going to be frying our well-seasoned chicken. Then after seasoning it, we're going to bring it out, then fry our onions. It's going to be much. We're going to fry these onions till close to golden brown and all the flavors are released into the oil. Then we're going to be adding in our sliced carrots and Irish potato. We're going to fry again like 5 minutes, and we're going to be adding the curry into it, and we're going to fry some more because this curry brings out good flavors. We're also going to fry in our Scotch bonnet pepper. All this frying in the oil releases all the flavors into our food. We're just going to add salt. Remember our technique of adding salt bit by bit. Then we will be adding water to our pot. After adding the water, not much, you see on the screen, we're going to be adding our chicken broth, then our dark soy sauce for that extra flavor and taste. When we've added it, we also add in our seasoning cubes. Okay, we add it into it, mix it well. Then we also add in our beef. Our beef meat is already fried. It was well seasoned before frying. We'll add it into our pot. We want this fried meat to get very tender and soft. We now close up our pot. When it boils some more, we're going to be adding in cooked corn into our pot. Okay, this corn was so soft. You're going to be using very soft corn for this. It gives it this amazing flavor that you are going to love. So when we put in this, we're just going to stir. Then cover the pot and allow it to boil some more while we now add in our chicken, fried chicken. We're going to add it back into the pot so that all these flavors will enter into our sauce. Okay, we're just going to, now our food is almost done. Remember, we've been cooking our carrots and Irish potatoes, so they are like tender, and we're almost through now. So we're just going to add in our bell peppers. We don't want to overcook our bell peppers. We just want the flavors to just come out. We're going to stir more. At this moment, the food is already, the flavor of the food is all over the kitchen, and we're just covering it more and allowing it cook. Then for the thickening of the sauce, we're going to use corn flour. Corn flour is the best thickener for this food. So what we're just going to do is that we're going to be pouring water to this corn flour and we're mixing it, then pouring it into the pot to help us thicken that curry sauce and make our food look so yummy. When we add it in, we'll just use spoon, okay, our cooking spoon, to turn the pot very well, and we'll watch the sauce get thickened. After doing this and you find out that the corn flour you used was not thick enough, you could add more, and if it's too thick you could also add water, and you just cover and your food is so done. You're testing for everything and everything is okay. This is how you make your curry sauce. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for your engagement. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.